Hey guys, Mixed Media Girl here. So, upcoming in a couple weeks is Shark Week. And so I'm going to do an awesome collab with the beautiful Clara Lawrence, where I'm going to send her two kind of ocean themed paintings, and she's going to add the sharks to them. So I have one here that I'm going to send her that I did on a live video with Bronson, the Naughty Artisan. And then I'm going to be doing another one. We're doing two so that we can each keep one. So this is a piece of MDF that I spray painted with navy blue paint and primer. And I'm using Stone Coat Countertops Art Coat and then a few different colors. I'll put the colors down in the description. But we're going to go ahead and get started. And I'm going to kind of do this one based off of an acrylic painting that I love to do with sharks, where it's like you're at the bottom of the ocean kind of looking up. So it goes dark to light. So we're starting with the dark here on the outside. I'm just going to get all the edges. And I'm just going to use three colors. We're going to kind of blend them as we go a little bit. Obviously this is not acrylic, but I'm going to try to get kind of a same concept. So when I'm painting with acrylic, I do this whole like circular motion with my brush. Well, there we go. All right, so let's try it, see what happens. Okay, I'm going to go in here with the lighter blue now, and we're going to kind of overlap these and blend them together a bit on the edges here. Awesome. And then I'm going to get in the middle here with a little bit of white. Okay. And I'm going to just kind of do that same thing here. I'll just start in the middle and kind of blend it out. Okay, good. Awesome. All right, so I'm going to go and take a stick with some of the colors and just kind of do a little more. And remember that resin is self-leveling, so just keep that in mind. Don't stress about any little parts where it's not totally filled in. That's also why we put the blue in the background. I'm just kind of trying to maintain that circular motion a bit. Okay, and then I think I'm going to try, this may or may not work, but normally what I kind of like to do is a bit of lines, kind of as if sunlight's shining through here. And I don't think these will particularly hold, but they may hold a little bit, so you never know. If anything, it'll definitely add some interest to this piece. Tend to do some different lengths. There we go. All right. I am going to torch this, and then I will come back tomorrow when it's all dry, and we'll see how it looks. And then I'm going to go ahead and send these two paintings to Clara, and we'll see what awesome things she comes up with. So we'll be back tomorrow. Hey guys. Okay, so we're back. This is dry now. This is my piece for Shark Week. I'm not really that happy with it. It looked a lot cooler when it was wet, but it didn't hold the shape that I had originally wanted. So I am going to add a little more epoxy to it first I'm going to sand it real quick, and then we'll go ahead and get started on that. All right, I got it sanded down here. I'm just going to use the same colors as last time. So I'm going to start with some clear here. I kind of want to avoid the center. Don't want to do too much of that because I like that white there. And then I think I'm going to just blend the other two colors a little more intentionally. So there's our clear. All right, and then get in here again with some of this darker blue. And then the turquoise. And if anything, this will just be really cool layered. So all right, I'm gonna go ahead and get in there with my heat gun and move it all around. All right, I am much more happy with that. So let's go ahead and we will do our close-up, and then that's going to be the end of this video. The next time you see this piece, Clara will be adding some awesome sharks to it. So let's do the close-up. I love the depth that this now has, which you can't unfortunately fully see in the camera, but it has the appearance now of like you're looking outside of an underwater cave, and I think it's super cool. So I hope you guys enjoyed this. Can't wait to see what Clara does. Check out her channel and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.